My name is Jillian Nelson, and I've been living here for about a year, a little over a year. I've done quite a few things. I've done work with Adam Sandler and Just Go With It. I've done the most recent thing that came out was with Will Arnett for Flaked on Netflix. So that was the most recent thing, and I just filmed a movie called 10-Year Reunion, and hopefully that will be on Lifetime in the fall. So I was nervous about picking who I wanted to move with my stuff because I am a little picky and extra careful with everything, and so I went online and I Googled movers in Los Angeles, and it was the top 10 on Yelp. And so I went and I just clicked through, and looking at the amount of reviews, how long they've been online, and the amount of stars they had, it was a no-brainer. I did compare them with another moving company, and they, hands down, they gave me a way better quote. They were upfront, honest, and just easier to deal with, and it was just wham bam, thank you ma'am, easy breezy. So NorthStar, I'm excited. I think they're gonna be good. I'm moving from here in Valley Village. I'm actually going to be staying in the same zip code, and I'm moving about 8 minutes west. The most favorite role I've ever had? I was a cave girl on a Disney Channel show called Zeke and Luther, that was a different show, called Pair of Kings. I was a cave girl on Pair of Kings, and I watched Encino Man to prepare for it, and it was the most fun. It was very big and over the top, and I like that kind of comedy. I want more. I want a washer dryer in my unit, I want a big pool, and I want to have a gym and just a newer building, and I think the location being closer to the 101 and closer to Studio City. And also, I did break up with a boyfriend in here, so it's gonna be nice to have a new space, a fresh environment.
My name is Drake Patton. I'm the team leader. We actually started down the street and take a left. It was in the same city. They sent me with the squad. They sent me with very hard workers. The client was very organized. We came here, we knocked it out, and now we're going home.
NorthStar services were excellent. It was above and beyond what I wanted. I had Daryl, and I had Drake, and I had Ricardo. They were super efficient, delicate with my things. They had great attitudes, smiles on their faces, even while drenched in sweat moving my stuff. I was pumped. So I've been here 2 weeks, and I'm absolutely in love with this place. It's perfect. I love it. I love this location. I love that I am next to everything. Like anything on Ventura, Sherman Oaks, North Hollywood, everything is just like a quick little zip, and I'm there. And the building itself is immaculate. So. I would absolutely recommend NorthStar to somebody, anybody.